Lambda has very powerful functions to select part of the text and copy it into the memory buffer. The basic functions are practically identical to those of a normal writing program, with the possibility of selecting text, copying it into the main buffer, and then pasting it in at will. Others, more complex, are intended for experienced users. We highlight, in particular, commands for selecting portions of mathematical text by recognizing their structure, block selection. The possibility of keeping the selection active even if the cursor moves away from the selected part, persistent blocks. The management of several buffers at the same time to store and retrieve several different pieces of information, multiple buffers. It is possible to select, with a single command, the entire mathematical block within which the cursor is placed. By a block we mean the portion of text enclosed between an open or closed pair of markers, such as two parentheses, a compound root, or other. The command is activated from the menu, Selections, a select block, or with the shortcut combination Ctrl+B. At first, the smallest block containing the cursor is selected. The selection can be extended, again by typing Ctrl+B, and gradually include the outermost open or closed structures, until the entire line is selected. Similarly, you can later reduce the selection back to the previous inner blocks, until you reach the starting selection, smallest block containing the cursor. Main controls. Select block Ctrl+B. Extend selection Ctrl+B. Reduce selection Ctrl+B. For experienced users, it may be useful to be able to put portions of text stored with the copy and cut commands into different buffers so that they can be retrieved flexibly according to various needs. The usual editing commands, copy, cut, paste, use the main buffer. It is unique and therefore each new piece of data stored deletes the previous one. By using multiple buffers, however, it is possible to use different memories, up to 9, and thus store more data simultaneously to be retrieved at different times. It is also possible to add data to the stored data without deleting it. In the Edit menu at the buffer vise, 3 commands are available for managing multiple buffers. Cut in buffer, copy into buffer, paste from buffer. The cut, copy and paste commands act similarly to the usual commands, but each time you are asked in which, or from which, of the 6 buffers you want to act. You can paste the contents of the buffer directly by pasting and selecting the value. See also, Shortcut commands text selection.